Roger Williams, born in London in 1603, was an important figure in American history. He believed strongly in religious freedom and the separation of church and state. Williams immigrated to the Massachusetts Bay Colony in 1631, but his controversial views led to his banishment in 1636. Undeterred, he founded the colony of Rhode Island, which became a haven for religious tolerance. Williams's writings, including the Bloody Tenet of Persecution, influenced the development of religious liberty in America. His ideas of religious freedom and the separation of church and state continue to be celebrated and studied today. Quite a remarkable individual, don't you think? For listening, stay with us.